Ito ang 106.3 Dance Radio. Dance Radio.
Prepare yourself.
Ang silid-aralan sa radyo, hatid namin ay makabagong paraan ng pagtuturo at kalaman. Mapaumaga, tanghali o hapon man yan. Ang istasyong magbibigay impormasyon kahit saan man.
For something big.
Alright, here we go.
106.3 Dance Radio. Doña Aurora National High School, Santa Rita, Aurora, Isabela.
This
106.3 DWDR FM. Pre-calculus, advanced algebra, intermediate algebra, trigonometry, elementary algebra, geometry. Mga araling dapat tuklasin. Mathematics Learning Area. Mathematics kahit saan, kahit kailan. Mathematics, maaasahan inyong tututukan dito sa 106.3 DWDR FM. Basta Dance Radio, learning is amazing!
Good afternoon everyone! Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon na magandang hapon pa, no? Okay, kumusta po kayong lahat? Wow, we have another episode of BAMARA. Sir Judith?
Yes, blessed afternoon everyone. Narito na naman po kami upang kayo ay turuan, upang lalong matuto ng math madali, math malinaw, at math masaya.
Wow, bago yun ah.
Ready na ba kayo, my dear learners? Welcome to Basic Mathematics in Radio.
I am teacher Marilyn M. Juliano.
I am teacher Judith S. Gamilo.
We are your hosts for today's episode, and we are also the advisors of Math Wizard Club for this school year 2021-2022.
Basic Mathematics in Radio, or BAMARA, is one of the projects of Mathematics Wizard Club.
Yes, so we would like to welcome our dear learners from grade 7 to grade 10. Anong grade level kaya ang pinaka-active today? Grade 7 pa rin kaya, kagaya last time, Teacher Judy?
Oo nga, Teacher Marilyn. Abangan natin kung sino ang pinaka-active na grade level at pinaka-participative na section. Kaya mga anak, please comment your section in the chat box.
Yes, comment na ng inyong section sa ating comment box. And please stay tuning in till the end of the episode. Huwag nyo kaming iiwan ni Teacher Judy.
Yes. Now, special greetings to our fatherly officer in charge, the Chief Education Supervisor of the Division of Isabela, Sir Rodrigo V. Pasqua.
And to our supportive and generous Head Teacher 5 in Mathematics Learning Area, Ma'am Merlinda D. Dante.
We would like also to extend our gratitude to the generous benefactors of Math Learning Area RBI live streaming programs, Ma'am Larna Tan Levado and Engineer Ali J. Reyes Bagulo.
We would like also to acknowledge the very hardworking and supportive technical specialists, Teacher Joshua Rosan Guillermo, Teacher Mark Bagamaspad, and Teacher Dennis Mendoza.
Special thanks also to our electronic raffle coordinators, Teacher Lorely V. Nitura and Teacher Maylin J. Ralutin. Of course, let's welcome the students facilitators of today's session, Juliana Eunice G. Martinez of 10 Einstein and Cristina Cassandra C. Valdez of 10 Mendeley.
Ayan, nakikita na ba sa screen ang ating mga student facilitators? Ayan, ang
Yan.
gaganda.
Welcome.
Eunice and Casey. Juliana Eunice is also the Math Wizard Club Secretary, while Casey or Cristina Cassandra is the Math Wizard Club Treasurer. Thank you for your support to our projects. So let's have the first Roleta question. Teacher Judith?
Yes, the math roulette question number 1 is, Maria saved 200 pesos and then she spent 150 pesos. How much money does Maria have now? I'll repeat. Maria saved 200 pesos and then she spent 150 pesos. How much money does Maria have now? A, 50 pesos. B, 150 pesos. C, 250 pesos. And D, 350 pesos. I'll repeat. Maria saved 200 pesos and then she spent 150 pesos. How much does Maria have now? A, 50 pesos. B, 150 pesos. C, 250 pesos. And D, 350 pesos.
Yan.
Okay?
So for you to have chances of winning 30 peso worth of load, please type the correct answer with your complete name and section in our comment box. So i-type nyo sa ating comment box, mga anak, ang inyong buong pangalan at section. And then, i-roleta natin mamaya yung first 10 students na makakakuha ng tamang sagot ay maisasali sa ating math roleta. Good luck! So go, 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 my dear students! Okay, so dahil wala tayong RBI, Teacher Judith, so gawin na natin ang...
Okay. I know you are familiar with the game 4 picks, 1 word. But this time, it's math word. I'll give you 4 picks and you must comment the math word in our comment box. The first student who can give the correct answer will be given 20 peso worth of load. So let's have the first word, Teacher Marilyn.
Okay, so sa ating 4 picks, 1 word, 1 math word. So meron tayong 4 na picture and then paunahan kayo na maglagay ng correct word. So yung mananalo, yung unang makakabigay ng tamang sagot, merong 20 pesos siguro. Ibigay natin, Teacher Judy. Tatlo
Yes.
lang naman po.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so sa atin na.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, so yung first winner, first to ha, pabilisan mga anak. Yung unang makakakuha ng tamang sagot ay magkakaroon ng 20 peso worth of load. So ready na kayo for the first question? Ito na yung ating first word. Okay, so ulitin po, itatype nyo lang sa ating comment box ang inyong sagot. Sige, tingnan natin kung sino ang mauuna. So the first word is, ayan, may 4 pictures dyan. Ano kaya word ang mabubuo? Okay, parang may nagsabi ng sagot dito sa loob ng radio. Narinig ko yun, buti hindi narinig yung mga ano. Okay, so, okay, tingnan natin.
Okay.
Sige, mga students, i-type nyo na sa ating comment box anong word kaya yan. So, merong 4 na picture. So, anong salita or anong mathematics word ang magdi-describe sa mga picture na yan? Start si letter, sabihin na kaya natin.
Okay.
Meron bang nakita ng tamang sagot?
Letter
pa.
O? Wala pa.
Sige.
Wala pa akong
Sige,
nakikita,
sabihin natin yung
teacher.
first hint. May hint daw. O. Oh, the first
Okay.
letter is O. Ayan, may O. Anong O yan? Sige, type nyo na sa ating comment box kung anong word. Hindi ko alam kung hindi lang ako makakita or talagang wala pang nagsisend ng
Wala
sagot.
pa. Okay,
Ayan,
from
meron.
Chinzen Batuyong of 8 Tangerine. Ang sabi niya, operation.
Ang galing. Sige, tingnan natin.
Okay, tingnan natin kung
Sinote
tama.
natin, screenshot na lang para hindi natin makalimutan yung pangalan niya. Sige, tingnan natin ha. Kung operation nga siya. So, ang sagot ni, anong pangalan ng Judy?
Nawala.
From Tangerine, ang unang nakakuha ng tamang sagot, ang sabi niya ay operation. Yes, correct. So may
Okay.
dalawa pa para dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-participate mga anak sa hindi na yung sagot. Yan, next word. What is the next word?
Okay, number 2 na tayo mga anak.
Number 2.
So, i-type din ang number 2, then ano yung mabubuong word.
Yes, sige, tingnan natin. Ano kayang word ang mabubuo siya? Related yan sa magiging topic natin this afternoon. Wow, may sumagot. Sarah Lee Tan of 7 Newton. Sabi niya ay positive. Sige, tingnan natin, Sarah Lee, kung tama yung sagot mo. Hindi lumabas sa'yo na. Okay, positive. Ito yung sagot ni Sarah Lee Tan.
Okay, awesome answer, Sarah Lee.
Tama. Next. Last word. Okay, last word na tayo. Question number kaya yan?
Pakitype ang number 3, then your answers, my dear learners, sa ating chat box. Ano yung mabubuo
Wow, si
natin?
TJ Antolin of 8 Copernicus. Nauna na naman si TJ. Sabi niya ay negative. So, tama. So, sabi niya doon, bakit ma'am yung COVID-19? So, ang nakacheck doon ay yung negative. Ha? So, okay lang daw na maging positive, wag lang sa COVID.
Okay, wow.
Kaya ang sagot niya ay
Negative. Okay.
So, tama ba ang negative?
Congratulations, TJ.
DJ Antolin of 8 Copernicus. So, tingnan natin. Meron na kayang nakakuha ng question number 1. Balikan natin yung question number 1.
Okay.
So, isend nyo na yung sagot nyo, mga anak. Para sa ating question number 1, sayang naman. Baka sakaling mabunot yung pangalan nila, di ba? Si Kirby.
Yes, sayang din yan.
30.
30 pesos ang low.
Yan. So, yung mga hindi pa nakasend ng kanilang sagot, isend nyo na. O, habang hinihintay natin, next na siguro tayo. Pwede na siguro natin tawagin, teacher.
Okay, congratulations to the winners of 4
Ayan
pits,
na.
1 math word. Today, we are going to define integers and perform operations. Meron na ba, teacher?
Yes! Wow! Ito na, meron na tayong first 10 students who got the correct answer. Actually, marami yatang nag-send ng tamang sagot. Ang dami daw, sabi ni Teacher Lorelei. So, pero dahil kayo ang first 10, okay, kayo yung merong chance sa ating Roleta question. Okay, ano daw ang sagot muna, Teacher Judith, sa ating Roleta question?
Okay, so the answer is letter A.
Okay, ito yung 10. First 10 students, Gio Lintao of 7 Archimedes, Feliarita Annabella Cupido of 7 Galileo, Erica Joy de la Cruz of 8 Lavender, Jamie Mia Lamug of 8 Aristotle, Nora Rosiete of 8 Aristotle, Mark Alvin Diaz of 7 Archimedes, Aaron Kurt De Vera of 8 Crimson, Sanjiro Nitura of 7 Newton, TJ Antolin of 8 Copernicus, and John Marian Waria of 10 Tambile.
Wow, my
May
grade 10.
Nakatuwa naman yung mga grade 10. Okay. Sige, pwede na natin
Okay,
paikutin
paikutin na
para
natin.
malaman natin ang ating first winner.
Winner.
Ayan! Sino ang ating first winner?
Sa wakas!
Felieri.
Feliarita Acupido.
Oh,
naswertehan mo na na.
Galileo. Wow, very good. Congratulations, Feliarita Acupido of 7 Galileo.
Galileo.
Okay, next po, Teacher Judith, ang ating
Let's welcome our talented.
question number 2.
Number 2.
Ay, welcome yung ating facilitator.
Excited ba na
Excited.
ipakilala? Okay, so Matroleta question number 2. A submarine at 21 feet below sea level suddenly moves up above about 6 feet. At what depth is the submarine located? Now, okay, I'll repeat. A submarine at 21 feet below sea level suddenly moves up about 6 feet. At what depth is the submarine located now? A, negative 5. B, negative 15. C, negative 25. And D, negative 35.
Okay, sige, send nyo na mga anak sa ating comment box ang inyong sagot. Ilagay yung name, section, and then question number 2, and then your correct answer in our comment box. Ito na. Ito na. Sisimulan na ba natin na tawagin? Let's welcome. So, our student facilitators or talented and math wizard student facilitators for today, Juliana Eunice G. Martinez and Cristina Cassandra C. Valdez to discuss the addition and subtraction of integers. Sige anak, mic. Ayan yung mic anak. Sige.
Thank you, Ma'am Marilyn and Ma'am Judith. So, our topic for today is integers. Ano nga ba ang integer? Integer is a whole number that can be 0, positive, or negative. So, we are going to discuss adding integers. There are two rules in adding integers. If the integers have the same sign, add them together and keep the sign. For example, we have here 8 plus 3. Since both of them are positive, we're going to add them. So, 8 plus 3 equals 11. And we have negative 5 plus negative 6. Since both of them are same negative, we are going to add them. Negative 5 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 11. Then, the second one. If the integers have different signs, we are going to subtract them. The answer takes the sign of the larger number. For example, 3 plus negative 7. Napansin nyo ba na mas malaki yung negative value, which is the negative 7? Kaya, ang magiging answer ng 3 plus negative 7 ay negative 4. Kaya nangyari yon, kinuha yung sign ng mas malaking number, which is yung negative 7. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative 10. Second example is negative 2 plus positive 10. Since mas maliit yung negative at mas malaki yung value ng positive, ang magiging answer natin ay positive. So, negative 2 plus 10 is equals to 8. We have here an example po. We have here positive plus positive is equals to positive. Mapapansin nyo na mas maliit yung isa at mas malaki yung isa. Kaya, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung mas malaki po ang naging answer. Kaya, positive plus positive is equals to positive. Ang pangalawa naman po ay mas malaki po yung positive sa negative. So, kahit po negative yung i-add nyo sa positive, kung mas malaki po yung value ng positive, magiging positive pa rin po yung answer. Ganon din po sa pangatlong illustration, which is mas maliit po yung positive value kaysa po sa negative value. So kung pag-a-addin nyo po sila, mas kukunin nyo po yung value ng mas malaking value, which is the negative one. Kaya po ang naging answer ay negative.
Yan.
Thank you.
Eunice. So, malinaw sa ating mga anak yan na kung ano daw, sabi niya, kung ano daw yung sign. Kung ano yung mas malaki, yun ang ikokopya natin na sign. Yun ang gagayahin natin, di ba? So, kung mas malaki yung positive, ang magiging sign niya ay positive. Kung mas malaki yung negative, ang magiging sign niya din ay negative. So, next tayo si Casey. Sige, Casey, bumati ka muna, anak. In subtracting integers.
So, mag-proceed na tayo sa susunod, which is subtracting integers. Sa pagsusubtract naman ng mga integers, merong tatlong process or steps. Una is change subtraction sign to addition. Susunod is change the sign of the second integer to the opposite sign. Kung negative yung sign, gagawin siyang positive. And yung pangatlo is follow addition rules. For example, negative 5 minus positive 12. So, ikikip natin yung negative 5, papalitan natin yung subtraction sign ng addition sign, and papalitan natin ng negative yung positive 12. So, i-add siya and we come up with negative 17. Next is example, negative 10 minus negative 13. Ikikip natin yung negative 10, change subtraction to addition, and change negative 13 to positive 13. We add and negative 10 plus negative 13 positive 13 equals 3. Next example, 13 minus 17. So, magiging 13 plus negative 17 equals negative 4. Negative 11 minus negative 11. So, magiging negative 11 plus positive 11 equals 0. So, eto naman. What about a problem like this, which is 6 minus negative 10? So, since those two negatives cancel each other out and make it positive, magiging 6 plus 10 equals 16. Another example, 15 minus negative 5 equals 15 plus 5 equals 20. And another, 27 minus negative 16 equals 27 plus 16 equals 43.
Okay, thank you so much, Casey. Ang gagaling ng ating mga student facilitators. Medyo kinakabahan at nahihiya lang sila. Yan. So, to summarize the addition and subtraction of integers, Eunice. Let's call once again Eunice, Juliana Eunice.
So, when the signs are the same, we will just add them and keep the sign. For example, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So, wala tayong pinalitan kasi para sila ng value which is positive sila.
Yes.
And then, negative minus 4 is equals to negative 6. Since negative sila parehas, magiging negative 6 pa rin magiging negative pa rin yung answer niya.
Yes. So, kinopya lang yung negative sign,
Okay.
di ba? So, i-add niya din, pero copy the negative sign.
Sa subtraction naman po is, when the signs are different, subtract and use the sign of the larger number. For example is, negative 2 plus positive 4. Since mas malaki yung value ng positive 4, ang magiging answer natin ay positive pa rin.
Yes.
So, negative 2 plus 4 is equals to 2.
Okay. Thank you, Eunice. Very good. Ang galing, ha?
Galing ng mga students facilitators.
Meron tayong drill, Teacher Judith, na ibibigay ulit ni Casey.
Okay, go Casey.
Casey?
So ngayon naman, ito-test natin kung naintindihan nyo ba talaga yung
Naku, may test pala
may
sila.
test.
Kaya yung mga nanonood
yung
dyan o
diniscuss
nakikinig
namin
dyan,
ni Miss.
sabi ni Casey, may test daw kayo. So, i-type nyo sa ating comment box yung sagot. And then, pag nakita natin na merong nakakuha na ng tamang sagot, i-explain ni Casey kung paano nakuha. O yan, 5 plus negative 2. Ano kaya ang sagot dyan? Sige, my dear learners.
5 plus negative 2. Pakitype yung sagot ninyo mga anak sa ating chat box. Don't forget to type also number 1. And then your answer.
May sumagot na daw. Sino?
Okay.
Yan! Ang bilis.
Wow, Joseph Rob sa Diwa.
Ang sagot niya ay 3. Tama.
Okay,
Sige.
very good, Joseph.
Okay, explain mo ba't naging 3?
So, 3 yung sagot sa 5 plus negative 2 dahil yung sinunod natin yung mas malaking value ng equation, which is 5, and we subtracted them and we come up with positive 3.
Yan. Next, number 2. Negative 10 plus negative 5. Hindi na gumalaw yung aking...
Negative 10 plus negative 5.
Parang
Don't
nauna si
forget to
Sanjiro,
write.
ni Tura.
Sanjiro ni Tura.
Sabi niya ay negative 15. Yes, correct.
Joseph Rab sa Diwa, negative 15. Gio Lintao, negative 15. Princess Prixley, Madam Ba. Wow.
Dami na.
Na.
Si Casey, paki-explain.
So, negative 10 plus negative 5, dahil pareho siya ng sign which is negative, we come up with negative 15. Copying the
So, i-add lang
sign.
natin dahil parehas sila ng sign, then copy the sign, which is negative. Okay, number 3, mga anak, pakitype. Number 3, then your answer. 8 minus negative 3.
Sige, tignan natin. Number 3 na tayo. Wow, may nauna from
Gio Lintao sabi
From
niya.
8 Aristotle ba? Tama ka, ma'am? 8 Aristotle.
Ang sa akin, si Gio Lintao from Archimedes.
Jamie Mialamug.
8 Aristotle.
11.
Okay.
Kasi Jamie Mialamug is...
11.
Bakit kayo naging 11? Casey?
So, naging 11 yung sagot natin dahil change natin yung subtraction sign to addition sign and change rin natin yung negative 3 to positive 3 which is 8 plus 3 equals 11.
Okay,
Wow,
don't forget to change mga anak yung sign ng ating subtrahend then proceed to addition.
Yes.
Okay.
Tandaan mga anak, pag dalawang negative na magkatabi, wag nating i-minus. Kasi magiging plus na yan, di ba?
Yes.
Negative, negative, magiging positive na siya. Kaya ipa-plus mo na si 8 at saka 3. Unlike sign kasi kaya hindi natin sila i-minus. Okay? Next. Teacher Judith.
Number 4, negative 15 minus negative 3. What is the answer? Pakitype yung sagot natin sa chat box. Number 4, then your answer.
Sige.
Negative 15 minus negative 3.
Ayun,
Okay.
meron na naman yata. Siya na
Jamie
naman.
Lamug, again.
Ang galing, ang bilis
From
sumagot.
8 Aristotle. Sabi niya, it's negative 12.
Okay.
Arian Faye, Ramos Carnaten, negative 12. Josen Trout
Yan, so-
Sabdiwag.
Okay, so tama na si Gio.
Okay.
Si Sar, ayan. Wow, very good.
DJ, Antolin.
Sige, Casey, please explain na kung ba't naging negative 12.
Okay, so ikikip lang natin yung negative 15, i-change natin yung subtraction sign to addition sign and papalitan na rin natin yung negative 3 to positive 3 and following the larger value which is negative, we come up with negative 12.
Yan. Okay, next. Last na to, Teacher Judith. Last
Okay,
question.
number 5. 4 plus negative 13. What is the answer? 4 plus negative 13. Okay. Paki-type ang sa mga answer ninyo sa ating chat box. Gio Lintao, sabi niya negative 9. Jamie Miel Lamog, negative 9. Arian Faye Carnaten, negative 9. Zaralitan, negative 9.
Yan, shout out to Ma'am Gloria Agunoy. Nanonood daw siya ngayon, Teacher Judith.
Thank you,
Diba?
Ma'am Glo,
Wow,
for
thank you
watching
so much.
us.
Love niya ang math.
Araling pang matematika talaga.
Yes.
Hindi
So, ano ang
panlipunan.
tamang sagot, Casey?
So, ang sagot is negative 9.
Ah, ang gagaling nila. Tumama yung mga sagot nila.
Congratulations.
Yan. So, ready na siguro tayo for the math ruleta number 2 answer. Ayan na. So,
Okay,
ang
so
ating
the answer is letter B.
negative 15. So, congratulations to the following students who got the correct answer. Actually, marami sila na nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Gio Lintao of 7 Archimedes, Jamie Miel Lamug of 8 Aristotle, TJ Antolin of 8 Copernicus, Sofia Casinilio of 8 Socrates, Bettina Rivera of 8 SPA, Julian Pagador of 7 Luna, Santino Benico of 7 Mabini, Princess Madamba of 7 Newton, Sweetel Faith Arenzana of 8 Copernicus, and Jaika May Pasiliao of 7 Archimedes. Congratulations mga anak. Tignan natin kung sino ang ating magiging second
Mapalad.
winner for our Roleta question. Ayan na! Okay.
Santino Benico of
7 Mabini!
Wow! Congratulations!
Galing-galing naman. So, ayan. Question number 3 na, Teacher Judy.
Okay, for our question number 3, name an equation that makes positive 6 by using these numbers, positive 9, positive 7, positive 2, negative 8, negative 3, and negative 1. I'll repeat. Name an equation that makes positive 6. By using these numbers, positive 9, positive 7, positive 2, negative 8, negative 3, and negative 1. Letter A, positive 9 and plus negative 1 equals positive 6. B, positive 7 plus negative 8 equals positive 6. C, positive 7 plus negative 3 equals positive 6. D, positive 9 plus negative 3 equals positive 6. So, alin dyan ang tama, mga anak?
Yan, parang may mga nakita na akong sumagot.
Ang bilis
Nakakuha ng
nila.
tamang sagot. Ang bibilis
Wow.
nila. Okay, sige. So again, let's welcome our student facilitators, Juliana and Casey, to discuss the multiplication and division of integers.
Thank you, Ma'am Marilyn and Ma'am Juliano.
Batiin mo naman daw yung mga classmate mo muna para hindi ka masyadong kabahan.
Sila ng shout out.
Oo, sige, okay lang yan. Sige.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Anong section sabihin mo naman?
Ah,
Grade 10?
Shoutout po sa grade 10 Einstein, grade 10 Rutherford, and grade 10 Mendeleev.
Wow.
Sana maganda hapon nyo.
Sige.
So,
Oo nga. May ano yata sila, may klase sila. Okay, sige.
since
Ayan.
meron tayong addition and subtraction na diniscuss kanina, syempre hindi natin pag-iiwanan ang multiplication and division integers. So, multiplication and division integers has the same rules, which is if the signs are the same, then the result is positive. So we have an example here. Positive 2 times positive 5 is equals to 10. Since both of them are positive, the answer will be positive. Then, negative 2 times negative 5 is equals to positive 10. Since both of the value are negative, we're going to make the answer positive. Then, what division? And
Sige lang. Next tayo, negative na.
And if the signs are different, then the result will be negative. For example, negative 2 times positive 5 is equals to negative 10. Since both of the value
Unlike
doesn't
sign.
have the same sign, we're going to make them negative. And then 2 times negative 5 is equals to negative 10 since both of them doesn't have the same sign. And in division, we have 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Since both of them are positive, the answer will be positive 2. Then we also have negative 8 divided by negative 4. Since both of them has the same sign, which is negative, we're going to make the answer positive 2, which is 2.
Okay. Next.
We also have the illustration here to make it simple. If both of the value are positive, then the answer will be also positive. And then if both of the value doesn't have the same sign, we're going to make the answer negative.
Okay. So, mas madali daw pagka division and multiplication, di ba? Basta magkaiba yung sign, negative na siya. Pag magkapareho, positive yung sagot. So, this time, may drill ulit tayo. Casey, ready ka na? Naka-ready na si Casey. So, ganun ulit, mga learners, mga anak, isend sa ating comment box ang inyong sagot. So, we will multiply integers. Question number 1.
6 times negative 2.
Sige, comment.
Repeat, what is the answer? 6 times negative 2.
Ayun, nauna na naman. Ang bilis talaga sumagot ni Jamie Mielamog of 8 Aristotle. Nakatutok talaga siya. At, eto, hawak ko to, 9 kalamansi. Si Romar Fajardo, shout out, anak. Ayan, sige.
May tentang gili.
May tentang gili na rin.
Wow.
9 avocado. May 9 avocado na
Arian
rin.
Carnate of 8 Socrates ba? Copernicus. Arian Feng. Copernicus.
Sige.
Wow, ang daming mga grade 8 naman ngayon yata.
Oo.
Nangunguna, teacher.
Ako, may nakita akong 10 Mendeleev.
Wow, Eliza, Miss
Oh,
Eliza
Casey,
naman.
sige. Explain mo na, Casey. Nandiyan na yung mga taga Mendeleev. Hinihintay mo. Sige.
So, we have positive 6 multiplied by negative 2. Dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, it will be negative. And so, we have negative 12.
Yan. Okay, question number 2, Teacher Judith.
Okay, negative 11 times negative 4. What is the product of negative 11 and negative 4? Okay, type your answer sa ating chat box, mga anak.
Sige. Shout out to John Raydel Madriaga Galupo of 7 Newton. Good afternoon, ma'am, sabi niya.
Wow.
Ayan, may nakakita na akong tamang sagot.
Oh.
Ang bilis sumagot ni Gio Lintao.
7 Archimedes. Wow,
And-
babaw yata ang grade 7 teacher.
Oo nga, Feliarita Acupido of 7 Galileo.
Dito na naman si Jamie Miel Lamog. Hindi talaga pahuli.
At si Joseph Ralph Sadiwa of 8 Socrates. Ayan, sige.
Arian
Anong?
Faye Carnate of 8 Copernicus.
And Chen Zen Batuyong of 8 Tangerine.
Andito na ang Alwin Bernardo of 10 Mendeleev.
Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Diba?
Ayan na mga grade 10.
Okay, sige. Explain mo, Casey, yung number 2.
So, negative 11 multiplied by negative 4. Dahil pareho sila ng sign which is negative, we have positive 44.
Ay, sabi ni Eliza, one multitasking lang po ongoing klase namin. Sabi nila. Sumisilip lang. Sumisilip. Kinukumusta lang kayo.
Thank you, Eliza.
Thank you, Eliza. Oo, okay. Question number 3, Teacher Judith.
Okay, number 3. 8 divided by negative 2. So, division naman tayo ngayon. 8 divided by negative 2.
Sige, comment na mga anak sa atin comment box. Number 3 na tayo. Si Joseph Ralph Sadiwa. Napaka-active ni Joseph Ralph Sadiwa of 8 Socrates. Mukhang naglalaban talaga ang 7 and 8 ngayon sa mga active. Nora Rosete of 8 Aristotle. Arian Faye Carnate of 8 Copernicus. Panay grade 8.
Oh. Jamie Miel Lamog of 8 Aristotle.
Wow, merong...
Lintao, 7 Archimedes. Feliorita Annabel, Sia Capido, 7 Galileo. Wow, meron.
Wow, may mga lumalaban na grade 9.
Anonas.
9 Calamansi, Romar Fajardo.
Kimi Shaira Ramos, 9 Anonas.
9 SPJ, Jewel Lacanila. Wow,
Bandang
eto na.
James Vizcara, 9 Avocado.
Aba!
Wow.
Tawag ko yan.
Gerson Marinay of 8 Crimson.
Diba, lumalaban ang ating mga grade 9. Sige, na-comment lang ang inyong section at ilagay lang yung sagot. Sige, Casey, yung number 3, paki-explain na.
Positive 8 divided by negative 2. Dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, we have negative 4.
Okay, so question number 4.
Okay, number 4, we have negative 15 divided by negative 3. What is the quotient of negative 15 and negative 3? Okay, type your answers mga anak sa ating comment box.
Ang bilis talagang sumagot ni Gio Lintao of 7
Grabe,
Archimedes.
7 Archimedes. Sabi niya 5. Alwin Bernardo. Oh. Arian Carnate.
TJ Antolin of 8 Copernicus.
Sweetel Arenzana of 8 Copernicus.
9 Anonas. Kimi Ramos. Kimi Shaira Ramos.
Sarah Lee Tan of 7 Newton.
Uy, may bago. 9 Makopa. Princess Ira Ridad.
Wow, andito na naman si Crystal Jane of 9 Avocado. And Bandam Vizcara ng 9 Avocado. Wow.
Princess Madamba of 7 Newton. May lapu-lapu. 7 lapu-lapu. Si Reynante Tomas Jr. Laksamana. Ayan, Laksamana. Sige, Casey, number 4.
So, para sa negative 15 divided by negative 3, we have positive 5 dahil pareho naman siyang negative sign. So, magiging positive siya. So, positive 5.
Yan. So, dahil negative daw pareho, kaya ang sagot natin or yung final answer natin ay positive. Okay, last question for the drill, Teacher Judy.
Okay, number 5. 4 divided by negative 5. I'll repeat. 4 divided by negative 5.
Shout out nga natin si John Raydel Madriaga Galupo. Ang dami niyang sagot of 7 Newton. Hindi yata kasi natin siya nabanggit. Kaya ang dami niyang sinend na sagot. Nulit-ulit na niya. Ayan. So, na-shout out na siya. Meron din tayong 9 Chico kanina. Karen Nicole Herrera. Ayan. So, number 5 na tayo, mga anak. Number 5 na 4 divided by negative 5. Mukhang nalilito yung iba. Ano kaya ang sagot nila? 4 yan ha? 4. I-divide ng negative 5. Wow, may sumasagot ng decimal. Nag-calculator ba, anak?
Negative 0.8.
Wow, ang galing. Ang nauna ay, sinong nauna sumagot ng 0.8? Negative 0.8. Si Joseph Raul Sadiwa. Fraction form. O sige, sinabi ko na, fraction form. Oo, next BAMARA daw yan. So, fraction form muna kasi yun yung nakaraan. Parang review ng last lesson natin. Okay, fraction form mga anak.
Fraction at
Anong,
sagot.
yes. Anong fraction form ng 0.8? Yan.
Okay, tignan natin kung
Sino kaya ang unang-
Si Alvin Bernardo.
Ay!
Negative
Nako!
4 over 5.
Grade 10.
Alvin.
Oo. Alvin, lagay mo yung section mo.
10
10 and delete. Ay, nakasupport si Alwin kay Casey. Casey. And Arian Faye Ramos Carnate of 8 Copernicus. Okay, may 10 tanggili din tayo.
Sete of 8 Aristotle.
John Morian Waria of 10
Magawain
tanggili.
8 SPJ.
Ayan, may 9 SPJ. Ayan, tapos na ang ating
Okay, meron na
roulette
tayo.
question. So, Reynante Laksamana Tomas Jr. of 7 Lapu-Lapu, anak, gawin nating fraction. Glay Saan Salvador of 9 SPJ. So, Romar Fajardo of 9 Calamansi, negative 4 over 5 din. Sige, Casey, explain mo na anak kung bakit siya naging negative 4.
Wise of 1 of 10 Mandelib, negative 4 over 5.
So, positive 4 divided by negative 5, which is negative 4 over 5 bilang fraction form niya.
Yes, kasi hindi natin eksakto madi-divide, di ba? Yung 4 sa 5. So, as is na lang siya, 4 over 5. So, may negative, kaya negative 4 over 5. Ang gagaling ng ating mga facilitators, Teacher Judy, di ba?
Grabe.
So, eto na tayo sa ating real-life applications, Juliana Eunice.
We have here the real life application. The first one, which is, we can describe this as for the bank accounts. If there are sufficient funds, it represents positive numbers. If money is overdrawn from the account, it represents negative number. Second one, we have the integers used in business. If there is profit, we have positive numbers. If there is loss, we have negative numbers.
Yan, dami palang gamit ng integers. So, pwedeng sa bangko daw. Kapag sufficient yung funds, pwede ka pang mag-withdraw. Pero pag wala ng laman, kapag zero na, hindi na pwedeng mag-withdraw. Okay, ano pa kaya, Casey? Ano pa kaya ang application ng integers?
Integers are used in calculating temperatures. When the temperature is above 0, it shows positive numbers. And when the temperature is below 0, it shows negative numbers. Another is when integers can also determine healthy lifestyle. Calories, when eaten, it represents positive numbers. When calories are burned, It represents negative numbers.
Wow, yun pala yun. Kapag mas marami ka palang calories, alam mo na kung ano nangyayari sa waistline mo. Nadadagdagan.
Kaya pala positive ako.
Ako din. Kaya pala panay positive. At buti na lang dito sa Pilipinas din, Teacher Judith, yung temperature natin ay walang below zero,
Walang
di
below.
ba?
Grabe, ang lamig na nun.
Okay, so malapit na tayong matapos. Summary na.
So as a summary, integers defined as positive and negative numbers including 0. To add integers with unlike sign, subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number.
And lastly, we have to subtract integers, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. We have that.
Ayan, thank you so much, Juliana and Casey, for sharing your time, effort, and skills to your schoolmates. So our learners learned a lot from you today, and I hope you also gain learnings from this activity. So kayo din, sana meron din kayong natutunan, madagdagan ang inyong self-confidence, di ba? Let's have the answer for Math Roulette question number 3. The answer is letter D.
Okay, congratulations. Joseph Rag Sadiwa of 8 Socrates, Vandam James Biscara of 9 Avocado, Rachel Torres of 7 Bonifacio, Felierita Annabel Cia Copido of 7 Galileo, Pia Mona Bumanglag of 7 Galileo, Karen Nicole Herrera of 9 Chico, Glyza Ann Salvador of 9 SPJ, Roman Fajardo of 9 Calamansi, Jamaica May Pasiliao of 7 Archimedes, and Sanjiro Vinitura of 7 Newton. Okay, sino kaya mananalo sa kanila? Teacher Marilyn?
Ayan na, paikutin na ang ating roleta. Nag-update bigla. Okay. Sige, ano mo lang ako. Ayan na. Ayan, naku, pumalakpak na si Roleta. Ang nakalagay ay suspense. Sige. Ayan na!
James!
Wow!
Of
Hawak ko
9
yan.
Avocado. Wow!
Okay.
Congratulations, Banda.
Congratulations, Vandam. Paki-PM sa akin, Vandam, ang iyong CP number.
Congratulations to the winner of Math Roulette question number 3.
Okay, let's have the words to ponder. Ito na. Sige, Teacher
Okay.
Judith.
So the word to ponder today is from Gandhi.
Hindi pa yata lumalabas sa ating... Ano nangyari? Iba pa ang nakalagay doon
Keep
sa
your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words.
Hindi pa nagre-reflect sa ating screen. Yung,
Nahuhuli.
yung laptop ko ang naghang.
Ay, ganon.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Akala ko. Akala ko
Malapit
teacher
na.
sila.
Kasi uwing-uwi na ngayon yung ating uwing-uwi na Friday half.
Okay.
Uwing-uwi na yung internet.
So the words to ponder today is from Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your
Habits.
Keep your habits positive because your habits become your
Values.
Keep your values positive because your values become your
Destiny. From Gandhi. Sabi nga, always be positive. Huwag lang sa COVID. O, di ba?
Ayaw ko rin yun.
Ayaw natin yun. Okay, so these are the Mathematics Wizard Club projects for school year 2021-2022. First, this is the project BAMARA. Ito na yon,
Okay.
yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Ito yung tinatawag nating Basic Mathematics in Radio. And yung next month na project, Matirang Matibay. So, discuss lang namin yung General Mechanics. Mga anak, makinig lang.
Okay, pakinggan
Open
mabuti.
ito sa lahat, from grade 7 to grade 10 students. So, this is the General Mechanic. First, Matirang Matibay is the online quiz bee that shall be conducted in 2 rounds, qualifying and final rounds. In the qualifying round shall be done in each respective class using book widget app or Google Form. The math teachers will facilitate in identifying the contestants for the final round. So, isisend sa inyo na inyong math teacher ang link para sa ating matirang matibay. And then, from that link, hanapin natin yung 3 highest scores from SSC sections and 2 highest scores from regular sections. So, these students will represent the class for the final round. So, top 3 ng bawat section ng science class ang kukuhanin natin. Top 2 naman sa mga regular sections. Kaya lahat ay open to participate. Next, para sa ating final round, the said contest shall be conducted into 3 rounds: easy, average, and difficult. So, the final round will be held via kahoot.com. So, meron tayong app na gagamitin. Each contestant will go to kahoot.com and enter the PIN code that will be given by the coordinators. Contestants will answer using their own devices. So, yung sagot nyo, ilalagay nyo dun sa cellphone nyo, and then each question will have a corresponding point. So, kapag easy, 1 point, average, 3 points, and difficult ay 5 points. So, yan, Teacher Judith, magpasalamat na tayo.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Marilyn. Let's acknowledge once again the Math Learning Area Program benefactors, Mrs. Larnatan Nevado and Engineer Ali J.R. Bagurdo.
We are also grateful to our supportive and fatherly officer in charge, the Chief Education Supervisor of the Division of Isabela, Sir Rodrigo V. Pascua. Thank you so much, sir, for making this BAMARA possible.
Special thanks also to our generous and supportive supervisory head, Ma'am Merlinda Di Dante, Head Teacher 5 of Mathematics Learning Area. Thank you, Mommy, for the snacks.
We would like to thank our production team for our technical specialist, Teacher Joshel Reson Guillermo, Teacher Dennis Mendoza, and Teacher Mark Bagamaspat ang gugwapo.
Thank
Diba?
you also to our electronic
Ang
raffle
gaganda.
coordinators, Teacher Mylene J. Ralutin and Teacher Lori Lee V. Nitura.
And of course, our visitors for today, the students who accepted to challenge as learning facilitators. Thank you and congratulations. Kaway-kaway kayo mga anak for a job well done. Juliana Eunice G. Martinez, kaway ka anak. Kaway ka yan, of 10 Einstein, and Christina Cassandra C. Valdez of 10 Mendeleev.
Thank you also to our Mathematics Club officers and Mathematics Learning Area teachers for your unending support in all MWC projects for this school year.
We would like also to acknowledge the presentation designer, my co-host, Teacher Judith S. Gamilo, and also my co-advisor in MWC.
And the radio script writer, wala kasi tayo kanina.
Hindi na-air, hindi nahanap.
Okay, my co-host teacher supposed to be. My co-host teacher Marilyn M. Juliano. Thank you so much for joining and staying with us
In Basic Mathematics in Radio. Stay safe and God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Catch up class tomorrow, Saturday.
Yeah.
3 o'clock. Okay na.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Hindi ko alam ano. Sorry, hindi ko alam. Bye! Thank you, Ma'am Maylene.
Stay safe.
Oo, sakto lang.
Pre-calculus, advanced algebra, intermediate algebra, trigonometry, elementary algebra, geometry, mga araling dapat tuklasin, mathematics learning area, mathematics kahit saan, kahit kailan, mathematics, maaasahan, inyong tututukan dito sa 106.3 DWDR-FM. Basta Dance Radio, learning is amazing! Ito ang 106.3